Hello YouTube visitors, this is Rakib and today I'm going to show you how to create a Windows 7 bootable ISO in your pen drive. So to do this you have to download and install software called Power ISO. So to get the Power ISO you will have to click on Microsoft Edge in my case. If you have Google Chrome or Firefox installed in your PC, you can use that software to browse the internet. So we click on Microsoft Edge and search here as writing Power ISO download. You see a website, Power ISO official website. We click on this. You have to download the 32-bit version or 64-bit version regarding your PC's architecture. I have 64-bit Windows installed in my system, so I download 64-bit. Oops. Okay, I start the download. So the download finishes itself here, and we open the software called Power ISO X64. I click on I agree. You can select the destination folder to install the software here. I will keep the default. It's completed. Okay, so I don't need all of this integration, so I remove all. I don't need it to auto start on boot. I don't need it in virtual drive. Okay, I don't need it to integrate with my power with my shell. Okay, I don't need it to check for automatic updates. Okay, it's done, installed. Now you run the software. As right button, click on it, more, and then I click on run as administrator. Okay, we continue unregistered. I suggest you to install the paid version of the software if you really find it useful. Okay, so you continue unregistered and click on tools, click on create a bootable USB drive, and here we will have to select the source image. Source image is kept on my hard disk. As you can see, I click on download in Windows tools, operating system, Windows. I have Windows 7. I several ISOs here. You can have your ISO from the internet. You can search for Windows 7 ISO, and Microsoft will ask you for the key. If you want to give it a try, you can download it from SoftPayments or Softlay, like these websites. Okay, so we go for softlay.com, and you will have a trial version here. If you need Windows 7 in a commercial place, or if it comes with your PC built-in, then you don't need to buy it, and I suggest to buy the software. Though Windows 7 doesn't Windows 7 is not supported by Microsoft anymore, so there is no question of buying a Windows 7. I think whatever their policy is, they are following, they know it all. So you can download your desired ISO files from here. Windows 7 Ultimate X64 DVD, X32 bit or 86 bit. It's ultimate version. You can have all-in-one version. If you search here as Windows 7 AIO ISO file, you can see here all-in-one version. You will have ultimate and starter, home basic, home premium, professional, enterprise, and other versions that Windows 7 supports. Windows 7 was supporting, actually it's dead now. So you click on the source image to open it. Okay, you can see here destination USB drive is empty in my case, as I don't have any USB device inserted, USB pen drive inserted or flash drive inserted in my PC. I don't have anyone. Sorry, I don't have any pen drive inserted, so I insert one. Okay, let's check out. It's inserted, you can see it available here. If you want to boot it in a USB hard disk, you should click on list USB hard drives. As I have pen drive, I don't need to click on it. Okay, I just connected my pen drive here, and I click on start, and Power ISO says jet flash transcend is my pen drive's name. All the data in this drive will be overwritten. It means it will be formatted, it will be deleted. Do you want to continue? Yeah, I want to continue. If you say cancel, there is no bootable pen drive. Okay, so you have to click OK. I recommend you to back up your personal data, important data, to another drive. Okay, writing USB drive, it will take 99 minutes. Okay, it will take 11 minutes. I pause that video in order to shorten my video. I need to pause it. I'll be come back before it completes. Okay, so I have finished it finished the record writing USB drive is completed successfully. Okay, so it's finished writing the drive, and you can see here it will be my USB drive. 24 GB is free here, and you can see it's the setup, but you cannot run it from here as a software. It used 3.81 gigabyte. Okay, you cannot run it from this just clicking on. All the data in this drive will be overwritten. It means it will be formatted, it will be deleted. Do you want to continue? Yeah, I want to continue. If you say cancel, there is no bootable pen drive. Okay, so you have to click OK. I recommend you to back up your personal data, important data, to another drive. Okay, writing USB drive, it will take 99 minutes. Okay, it will take 11 minutes. I pause that video in order to shorten my video. I need to pause it. I'll be come back before it completes. Okay, so I have finished it finished the record writing USB drive is completed successfully. Okay, so it's finished writing the drive, and you can see here it will be my USB drive. 24 GB is free here, and you can see it's the setup, but you cannot run it from here as a software. It used 3.81 gigabyte. Okay, you cannot run it from this just clicking on setup. So let me tell you a few things on booting the ISO. If you have a Asus motherboard, you can press F8 during the boot of the motherboard. If you have a Dell system, you have to press F12 while booting the PC. When you see the motherboard logo, you press the button. If you don't know your boot menu button, you can search it on the internet, like Asus boot menu key. You see that Asus boots on F8, Gigabyte does it on F12, MSI have F11, and Intel have F10 button. Okay, these are the boot menus. You can also go to the BIOS key by pressing delete. If you have a system based on American Megatrends Incorporation AMI BIOS, then you can just press on del button to get the BIOS delete button. Okay, thank you. This is all for today, and you forgive my poor English. You may don't, but I'm trying, believe me. Just subscribe, like my video, subscribe my channel, and drop your comment. Thank you.